All the birds are trying to break branches so they can make their nests. Look at the cardinal. Hi, cardinal. You better bring home a stick or your woman's gonna be pissed.
It's a male.
I know. There he is. He's down there. Look at our poor rhododendron. Brianna thinks it's acid rain. And then there's a blue jay. Blue jay, you got no problem breaking those branches, do you?
Because he's a big bird and the cardinal's small. He's a songbird.
And there's a couple other out on the ground. Look.
And sparrows.
They're everywhere. There's birds everywhere. It's crazy. Lullaby of birdland, that's what I always hear. Yeah, that's too low. Lullaby of birdland, that's what I always hear when you sigh.
Now there's a squirrel coming into the...
That's the kind of music, that's the kind of madness music we make with our
Look, a woodpecker
lips
on the tree right there.
when we kiss. Oh, is that a woodpecker? Holy crap.
That's small.
Bird watching with the girl.
Hey.
Out our front window. Lullaby of birdland.